Before sharing a workbook with other people, sometimes it pays to run the document inspector to check before you distribute the file. For example, from the ribbon, click File. From here, choose Check Issues and Inspect Document. When I click Yes, this will save the file and bring up the following list. If I then click Inspect, it will inspect the file for any hidden worksheets, any hidden rows and columns, any personal information in the document properties, comments, and etc. So I'll click Inspect. The inspector tells me that this document does contain properties that I may wish to remove. It also tells me that I have headers and footers in this document that I may wish to remove. But there are no hidden rows or columns and no hidden worksheets. So if I remove all, the properties are removed, and if I remove all to the headers and footers, these are also removed. I can re-inspect if I wish, but when I click Inspect, everything's okay. And so I can close and now safely distribute the file without personal information being in the file or any hidden worksheets or hidden rows or columns.